Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and today I want to share my personal experience after using Nerve Soothe for a full month. If you've been dealing with nerve pain, tingling sensations, or that uncomfortable burning feeling that just won't go away, then keep watching. This might be exactly what you've been looking for. Before I start, just a quick reminder, if you're planning to try Nerve Soothe, please make sure you order only from the official website. There are fake versions out there that don't contain the real ingredients or the correct dosages. I've left the official link in the description below and pinned in the first comment for you. So here's how it all began for me. I had been struggling with nerve discomfort in my legs for years. It started as a mild tingling, but over time it got worse, to the point where long walks or even standing for too long became painful. I felt like I was losing my freedom little by little. That's when I came across Nerve Soothe, a natural supplement designed specifically to support nerve health and reduce discomfort. What caught my attention was how different it is from anything else I had tried. Instead of masking the symptoms, Nerve Soothe focuses on nourishing and protecting the nerves from the inside out using a blend of 5 vital plant extracts plus essential vitamins and minerals, all backed by real research. Here's what's inside Nerve Soothe and how each ingredient works. Prickly pear helps protect your body from 3 harmful enzymes that cause nerve tingling and oxidative stress. Passion flower promotes relaxation and helps calm the nerves by increasing GABA levels in the brain. Marshmallow root, rich in soothing compounds that help relieve inflammation, stress, and tension. Corydalus, Yanhusuo. Studies from the University of California show it helps reduce inflammatory pain caused by tissue damage. California poppy seed, a gentle sedative that helps with sleep, relaxation, and relief from nerve-related pain. Each capsule contains the full standardized doses of these ingredients, no shortcuts, no fillers, just pure, bioavailable extracts that really make a difference. Here's what happened after I started taking it. In the first week, I noticed my legs felt less heavy and I was sleeping better. By week 2, the tingling sensations had reduced significantly, and I could stand longer without pain. By week 3, I felt more stable and balanced, and even started going for short walks again. By week 4, I honestly felt like myself again, more active, less anxious, and free from that constant discomfort that had held me back for so long. It's easy to take, just 1 capsule twice a day, about 20 to 30 minutes before meals with a glass of water. Consistency is key. The best results come after 3 to 6 months of continued use, as your nerves gradually repair and strengthen. What I love about Nerve Soothe is that it's made from natural ingredients. It's non-GMO, stimulant-free, and manufactured in the USA and FDA-registered, GMP-certified facilities for safety and purity. So, if you've been dealing with nerve discomfort, restless legs, or constant tingling, Nerve Soothe might be exactly what you need to finally feel relief and get your life back. Just remember, only get it from the official website to make sure you're getting the real product. The link is in the description and pinned in the first comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.